Hello friends, welcome to Crystal Crafts. In this video I'm going to show you how to make this towel holder and this pretty wreath. You can subscribe for free and click the bell notification icon to watch more such videos. So firstly, we're going to take a gasket. Now with some self-adhesive glitter foam sheets, we're going to cut them in diagonals to wrap them around the gasket. So these are self-adhesive. So we are going to cut these diagonally like so to make strips of foam sheet. Next, we're going to peel the backing of the foam strips and we're going to wrap this around the gasket like so. So we're going to wrap these foam strips all the way through the gasket. So here's our pretty towel holder ready. You can hang towels on it and it would look really pretty. So next, to make the wreath, we're going to take these pretty flowers over here. We're going to wrap these flowers around the wreath like so. And we're going to fix the flowers with some tape. So we'll continue to wrap the flowers all along the wreath. So here's our pretty wreath completed. It's looking really beautiful and it's a great addition to your home decor. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Crystal Crafts.